Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Kline. I am in my 11th year of teaching. I currently teach healthful living at Riverbend Middle School, which is in Raleigh, North Carolina. I previously taught middle school science for 9 years. I then switched over to healthful living last school year. Thus far, it's been very exciting. I do miss being in the classroom, the actual core classroom at times, um, in the science role in which I was in. But it's definitely been interesting seeing the elective side of teaching as well as the core side of teaching. One tip strategy that I would suggest to my colleagues in this class would be to show empathy, to show kindness, to show understanding with just not our students, but with our colleagues, with our staff members as well. Each day we go through trials and tribulations that we may or may not know about, and just being more understanding and the ability to communicate well with each other could definitely help bring a school's climate and atmosphere from good to great and beyond. One interesting fact about myself, I am the proud father of two identical daughters, Emmy and Lila. They are 4 years old. It blows my mind they will be enrolling in kindergarten in July of this year. I can't believe it's already gone by that fast. Um, I'm a coach, father, husband, and I really enjoy just spending time with my family as well as working out and building things in my garage. I look forward to working with every single one of you in this class. If you need anything, please let me know. Take care.